Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset SMC on your MacBook. So first of all, you need to go ahead and turn off your Mac. So just go ahead and do that. After that, you want to make sure that your Mac is connected to the power source. And once it is connected to the power source, what you want to press is Shift, this one, then Option and Control. So these three buttons. And once you will press on those, you want to press the power button and wait for 10 seconds or so, and then release the keys. So press on these three and on the power button and hold for around 10 seconds. And as you can see, continue holding for startup options. And after releasing the keys, you can go ahead and restart your PC, and SMC will be restarted. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.